Hello. Oh man, that's a good cup of coffee. I got my group mug out because today we are talking Marvel Universe, okay? So this month is the 80th anniversary of Captain America. Hi, Dancer. How are you? I don't know if you like Marvel. We're talking Marvel today. So we already have a warmer, which I just got this one. We already have a warmer that has Marvel on. That's all Marvel. And I'm going to show that to you. But we're dropping another on Monday. So I'm super excited. This one was released, I believe, last year or the year before. But last year. But it's coming back for this month starting on Monday. So this one is our Marvel warmer. I'll just show you this one first. And this has a ton of characters on it. Okay, so I've never seen... Oh, this is cool. Check that out. This is the dish. Is that cool or what? Okay, so I'm excited for this. I have not yet opened this one. Okay. And remember, in these warmers, we also have colored bulbs, which is neat. So you could buy like a red bulb or a blue bulb, which is really cool. So here we go. They give us a clear bulb. All right. Okay, this is a lampshade warmer. I'll show you that in just a bit. Let me get all the pieces out. All right. Ooh, I'm excited. This is going to be cool. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so this is really cool. The base is pretty big. Okay, so I'm going to show you the base first. Oh, this is really neat. Okay, so this is the base. Hello, everybody. So this is the base of the warmer. You notice anything on there? You notice any characters that we know and love? Okay, so I'm going to start undoing this. And then I will show you the lampshade part of it. And it is super cool. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the bulb in. And then we're going to take a look at the lampshade. Super neat. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Look at that. We got Hulk. We got Iron Man. Got Captain America. We got Black Widow. And Thor. So we have, like, you could choose which direction you want it facing out by whatever character's your favorite. Ooh, I like how in Iron Man's eyes, they're like clear right here, so you could see the light coming through them. That's neat. And over here on Thor's hammer, the same thing. It's etched out so that the light will come through that. And then also out of, bless you, Taylor, Iron Man's hand. So we're going to go ahead and plug this one in and check it out lit. And I'm going to put the dish in. So I actually am going to turn my light off so you guys could see this better. All right, 1, 2, 3. How rad is that? Oh, that's cool. That is super duper cool. I love that. Can you guys see it good? So those are all the characters on it. That's pretty neat. Okay, and then here I want to tip the dish so you can see the dish. Isn't that cool? Okay, so this warmer, this one's available right this very second. And this one is, oh gosh, didn't bring my glasses, $55. Now, we have a Marvel scent as well. It's called 9 Realms. It's a very masculine scent. I don't warm this much because I'm not a huge masculine scent fan. But it's a good one. Okay, so let's read what 9 Realms smells like. a heroic mix of lime zest and blue tea keeps you connected to the universe, while lavender lightning really packs a punch. So yeah, it's a nice scent. I like this one. This is a good one. Okay, so this is our Marvel warmer. Now the Captain America, which drops on Monday. I'll show you that one in just a moment. So let me put this one back here so I don't knock it over. Very cool. Very, very cool. 9 realms. Okay. So now the Marvel, the Captain America warmer. This one is super duper cool. So since he's the man of the hour, let's check it out. I believe this one's 55 as well. Okay, so this is his dish. It's got the star in there. And it's like a frosted glass. Oh, this is cool. Okay, the sound of styrofoam, not my favorite. Okay, so here's his shield. Let me get that out. Okay, so here's his shield. Woo, I almost knocked over my stand. Okay. And we have, let me put the bulb in. Okay, let me put that to the side. Okay. So here's his warmer. Okay. And I'll show you all the way around because this one has design all the way around. How rad is that, right? Pretty neat. Okay, so if you like Captain America, this is the perfect warmer for you. Okay, so let me put all the pieces together here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and show you what it looks like lit. Very cool. And like I said, this one drops on Monday. So I'll be linking everything on Monday. Okay, so this one has a 20-watt bulb. And again, you could change the color of the bulb. We now have 20-watt colored bulbs, whereas before we did not. But now we have colored bulbs for everything except for our Edison bulbs. Okay, let me get that in there. Okay. All right, so the bulb is in. Let me put his, styrofoam. I hate styrofoam. Let me put his shield in without breaking it. And then his dish. Okay, check him out. 1, 2, 3. Boom. So there he is. There's Captain America. How cool is that? Now let me show you all the detail of this warmer. I don't want to drop it, but look at that. How beautiful is that, right? Let me show you this side. That's gorgeous. Now watch this. On the back, it reflects this onto your wall or wherever you have it facing. And then let me show you that dish. It shows you, you can see the star in there. Isn't that beautiful? That is a beautiful, beautiful warmer. So if you have any Marvel fans or Captain America fans, we got you covered. So this is while supplies last, or until they put it back in the vault, because all of our licensed stuff gets put back in the vault. So if you want it, you got to grab it. How cool is that, right? Anyway, so I just wanted to share it with you. If you have any questions, please drop them below. And I hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.